Okay, we have a 1998 Toyota Avalon. We got the headlights here, they're starting to tarnish a little bit. As you can see right there, we're gonna go ahead and fix it. This one we've already done. How much shinier that is. So we'll show you step by step how to fix it. Some of the tools you're gonna need. We need a buffer with a wool pad, some tape, a little 1-inch, 2-inch tape, a little pad, applicator pad. This is a water spot removal. I use that for first application. That's your final glaze on your headlight. Just some spray wax, and then my regular 3 compounds. I got mild cut, extra cut, and a dual polish. First applicator. Those are what you're going to need to do this. I already did that part, and then we're going to take and put some of just regular 2-inch tape around that, so kind of protect your paint surface. Step, you take the water spot remover. I like to do this because it just kind of helps clean the surface first. Just put it on the applicator like that. Just apply it on there. Just let it sit for 10 minutes maybe. And let it chemical up. Get around these little buttons real good. These are actually used for adjusting the headlight. Just try to get around that the best you can. Little spray wax on a towel. We're just going to wipe this off. And now all this is doing is just cleaning the surface. It'll actually look a lot better. It's kind of got a little bit of abrasive in it, but that's just cleaning the surface. So then we'll go through and put the first cutting compound on there. Just because it's more abrasive. So put that on there and start slow. Let it fly everywhere. And you can do this with a smaller buffer too, a little 4-inch. I just like using this one because you get more pressure. It's a brand new pad, so it's throwing quite a bit of wool everywhere. So as we turn the speed up, that's why you want to tape off your paint so you don't burn through. Step is a mild cut. Put that down there and start slow. Polish that light up. You don't have to spend a lot of time on it. Work it through real good. The corner light's not as bad, but kind of go through it. You guys see all that wool flying in the air next to my new pad. I haven't used it yet. Final cut. Still on the wool pad. This is kind of just our final glaze. Now I like to, between each polishing, clean your old compound off with just some spray wax. Just a good idea, then that way you're just burning the right compound in there and not the one you were using before. So just wipe that clean. And our last step will be hand apply the glaze. And that's just a plastic Headlight Restore, just like that. And you let this sit for about 15 minutes. We'll come back with the buffer to do our final. Really good, so just be careful when you're going around them. Alright, and that's it. We'll do a final at the end after we get it all detailed up, but look how good that looks. It just pops. Take about a half an hour, and you can charge about 75 bucks for this. So, it's something you want to tackle yourself. Just get the right supplies, and you're good to go. Or you can give us a call and we can handle it for you. That's it.
Put your hands up in the air.